What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the Baron 12. Before I get into the video, I do want to let y'all know that I have a video coming out on all the shoes that I copped this summer. So make sure y'all go check that out on my page, her.souls. And yeah, stay tuned.
Said I'm back in the city, baby. Working so hard, a nigga been missing calls lately. All sweet, baby, hot shot lady, Queen Miss Petty. I've been meaning to stop, but got pretty brown, round, driving me wow. No, you don't forgive me. I just wonder if you miss me. I've been driving back and forth to A&T. Oh yeah, you didn't care, so don't be acting like the victim.
We have a grade school pair. The size tag reads wolf gray, black, and white. I believe they're called the Baron 12s because this is he played for the Birmingham Baron baseball team when he retired, so this is paying homage to that. This is what they look like. As you can see, we have the black and the wolf gray leather on majority of the shoe. Then on the bottom, we have those same colors. We have a 23 in white, black Jumpman, and then we have like some detailing at the bottom of the shoe. All 12s come like that. We have some writing on the tongue, as you can see. I can't tell if it's white or gray. I think it's gray. And it just says 2-3. Jordan's embroidered sign. And then on the back, got the Jordan branding, embroidered Jordan symbol, and another 23. I do like that they put silver eyelets on it. I feel like the shoe is already kind of basic, so it does a little something. It helps the shoe for sure. But overall, it's really not much to the shoe. I mean, it's black and gray. I do think that you could wear a lot with it and it will go with a lot of stuff. However, it's just not like super popping, you know? It's not a Cherry 12. It's just a Baron 12. Even the name is like whatever. But yeah, they are coming out in full family sizing at the end of the month, September 28th. So if you like this shoe, I definitely say get them. You know, they're not bad. You can wear them with a lot of stuff, and it'll be a good kid's shoe for sure. But me personally, I'm not copping them. Like I said, it don't stand out to me. It's basic. I'm not gonna lie. You know, silver's nice. I keep saying it because that's the only thing. I do like the wolf gray color. That's a nice color, but it's giving like this the shoes that you put on, you know, the all black Air Force Ones. It's giving that type of vibe, you know. It's giving like, you know. But yeah, like I said, full family sizing, September 28th. If you like these shoes, I definitely say go for them. I'm personally not copping. What's up, y'all? Y'all see I'm in another outfit, but I saw a few more things on these shoes that I thought should be talked about. So we have a grade school pair of the Baron 12s, and then we do have a men pair. So we're just going to do a little compare and contrast. Overall, I would say the men quality is a little better. The grade school has glue. The shoes honestly seem very, very rushed. Like if you look real close, there's glue all over. This side looks worse. Like you can see all that right there. Like it's glue all over the shoe. Even the bottom, like the 23, it looks just kind of off. And as you can see, like on the back, it has like a space on the grade school pair, but the men pair don't have a space. Like it's just a tag, then it's a 23. The men pair also has some glue on it, but it's not as bad as the grade school. And like the more and more I look at it, they really not it. It's not hitting on nothing. Like it gives nothing. It's very bland. Like this part right here, and then on the other side, it's throwing me off. But make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. As you already know, I'm the Maverick, and it's your Shoe Talk. Peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in a studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab. Hit a voicemail like